Hi guys, this is Tony with a video demo of my new WordPress plugin, WP Anchor Pro. Now what you can see is the members area, which I'll show you around shortly, but first I want to explain further about the plugin and its features, etc. Now to help do this, I've set up a demo website with some weight loss content on there. It's a fresh install, so there's nothing fantastic about it. It's just for demonstration purposes. Now, you can either upload the plugin using your favorite FTP program or via your WordPress dashboard, which is what I did. You literally just go, as with any other plugin, plugins, add new, locate where you've saved the plugin on your computer, upload it and activate it. Once activated, you will see the option for Anchor Pro here. First thing you'll need to do is go to Config, where you will see that you need an API key. Now this will be emailed to you after purchase, as will your username and your password for the members area. Now as I've already got an API key in here, I will just update it. This API key can also be found in your user profile of the members area, and when I walk you through that later, I'll show you where to locate that. Next thing you need to do is go to Appearance, to Widgets, and in the main sidebar area we're going to put the Anchor Pro Links widget, sidebar widget. This will go in any widgetized area, depends on what theme you're using. And you can set how many links you want to show. You can have 1, you can have 100, you can have 1,000, anywhere in between. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose 2. I've named it Rotating Links for this example, but you can name it anything you want. I would suggest something that is not related to affiliate or CPA offers, something like cool sites, useful resources, in this case for this demo weight loss resources, etc, etc. I certainly wouldn't be putting affiliate, naming it affiliate links or CPA offers or anything of that kind. Once you've done that, go back to Anchor Pro and we'll add our first link. And I'm going to use the words weight loss, and we'll use google.com. for demonstration purposes. I'm going to limit this to 10, but you can have 1, you can have 1,000, you can have 10,000. Really depends on how many anchor text links you want to create throughout your site for these particular keywords. Open it in a new tab, or you can open it in the same tab. The choice is yours. You can have it for all posts, all pages, the entire site, which is the option I'm going to choose, or you can have it for the specific post or page. If you do choose this option, you would enter the URL for the specific post or page in here. Remember, this plugin is fantastic for linking internally to your quality content throughout your website, making it great user experience. So as an example, if you were in the weight loss niche and you had a fantastic article all about weight loss, or a fantastic video about weight loss, you could link these words to a unique URL straight to that content. Google loves this. It's going to give you a lot of authority. In this example, we're going to add this to the widget as well and save that. Now once that's saved, I'll go back to the demo site and refresh it. You'll now note that in the sidebar widget, we've now got the words weight loss, which are hyperlinked. If I click on that, it will go to Google, which was a specified URL that I chose. You'll also notice that all the occurrences of the words weight loss have been hyperlinked, again, in this instance to Google. Now I just need to add a couple of more links to the sidebar widget, and we're just going to use some random anchor text. Use your text here, and again I'll use Google. As the example URL. Won't set any limit on that because we're actually creating contextual links. Open it in a new tab and add to widget. Save that. I'll just add one more. And we'll put anchor text here this time. And again we'll use Google. As the URL. Won't put any limit in there, we'll open it in a new tab, and again we'll add it to the widget. Now I'll just go back and refresh the demo site. And this time we'll have an extra link showing in the rotating links widget. There you go. As you can see, we've now got 2 links in there, which is the amount I specified to be shown. Your text here, anchor text here. Just refresh the page. And you'll see this time it says weight loss and anchor text here. Now, don't underestimate the power of this functionality, guys. Got to remember, this widget is on the every page, every post of your website. So if you've got a big site, you know, hundreds, thousands of pages, you're not just going to get one link from this. You're getting hundreds or thousands of links because this is going to show on every page. You can change the anchor text, so you could have weight loss diet, lose weight fast, all linking out, all rotating to different websites, different CPA offers, different affiliate offers, etc., etc. The next thing I want to show you is that you can actually cloak your links as well. So if we go to add cloak, and we'll use the keywords lose weight. So let me check on the demo. Yeah, we've got lose weight. And the tracking URL would be your domain / I'm going to use weight loss. Something that's memorable to you for that particular campaign. Now you don't need to put the HTTP or www in here. It will, for this example, we'll use facebook.com, amazon.com and bing.com, and we just save that. Now you do get statistics, so you'll be able to see exactly who's clicking through to which URL. It's going to help obviously for data purposes, for your conversions, etc. Is take the cloak link, go to add link option, enter the keyword. It's going to be lose weight. Put the URL in there, our cloak URL. I'll just set a limit of 2 on this for this example. Open a new tab. Entire site. And we'll add it to the widget. And save that. Now I'll go back to the demo site, refresh that. First thing you'll notice that in the sidebar widget you've now got the option to lose weight. If I click on that anchor text, this time it's opening up in Facebook. And this time let's go into Amazon.com. As each visitor comes to your site, obviously the page is refreshing, which means the next person that clicks on the anchor text is going to go to whichever URL is in the rotation. So in summary, guys, fantastic plugin. You can create anchor text links in your posts, in your pages, throughout your entire site. You've got a widget that can go into your sidebar or any other widgetized area that rotates your anchor text. You can use different variations of your anchor text. Great for looking natural in Google's eyes. Great for linking out to your money sites, to CPA affiliate offers. Also great for internal linking to your quality content. You can also cloak your links. As I say, fantastic plugin. One of the other features you can have are footer links. Simply click on the footer link option in Anchor Pro. And enter your HTML code. It can be any HTML code, it could be an ad, it could be Google AdSense, whatever you prefer. In this case I'm just going for a straightforward anchor text link. You can have it showing just on your home page or throughout your entire site. Again, footer area shows throughout your entire site, post pages, everything. So you're not just getting one link from this. Very powerful feature. Just save that. Go back to the demo site and refresh. and you'll now see you've now got an anchor text link there, and that can link out to another website, it can link out to a CPA offer, an affiliate offer. I would just not make it too spammy. I would have a maximum in there of say 6 links. You can have as many as you want, but my advice would be have a maximum of 6 so it's not appearing too spammy to Google. If you're an offliner, you may want to sell a link to one of your offline clients going back to their site. Again, make them relevant links. You know, don't have, in this example it's weight loss, don't have a weight loss blog linking out to computer repairs or something like that. Make it relevant. That way you'll get the link juice from it, and it'll show your authority again in Google's eyes. What I'm going to do next is show you around the members area. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you'll receive your username and password automatically after purchase, so you can then log in to the members area. Once you've logged in, if you need to access your API key at any time, because it will be emailed to you after purchase, but if you do need to access it again, all you got to do is just go top left hand corner, WP Anchor Pro, go to your dashboard, go to profile, and if they scroll down to the very bottom of the profile, you will see that your unique API key is there. We'll go back to the site. Just need to log in again. In the members area, you've got your downloads where you can download your plugin and your bonuses. You've got your training, which will include this video explaining the functionality again, so you can go through it in your own time. Another fantastic thing we've got in here is a user database. Now, if you can imagine, if hundreds, thousands of people purchase this plugin and they all entered even just one website in this user database, in there we're asking to enter your name, a valid email address, a website address, and a bit more information about the niche you're in. And we're encouraging users, purchasers of this plugin, to put that information in the user database so that everybody can contact each other and get backlinks. You can contact each other about swapping links. You're going to get relevant links. You know, if you're in the weight loss niche and somebody else is in the health niche, and swap links with each other, you're going to get powerful backlinks to each other's websites, or to other offers, whatever it is you're going to arrange between yourselves. This plugin is fantastic, it really is, and we've tested it, had some great results. However, if you do need to submit a support request in the members area, all you got to do, click on help desk or click on support, and we have a ticket system built right into the theme. You can submit a ticket here by clicking that, and completing the information that's required. Alternatively, you can click click Help Desk, and complete the information right on the page. And we will obviously get back to you as soon as possible. Anyway guys, that's the demo over. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you'd like to purchase, click on the buy button below, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks.